So I have 1 year left to serve on parole.
Well, what I can tell you this, if the judgment doesn't say that, then
Not precisely.
Yes.
Precisely. So
Let's roll, nerds.
nothing is. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 0.
Before court even starts, listen to the confusion in the defendant's voice, because what looks routine is about to raise serious red flags.
10531, State versus Joseph Liam Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
John Pinch for Mr. Rodriguez.
And probation, this is an application.
Would you speak up, Court?
And are you Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it from your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sorry, did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because if he gave you this discovery, you're like, man, why did you give that to me? And Mr. Rodriguez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did, yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with
This
your
moment
attorney? Did
matters
you
because the
understand it?
defendant says he understands the
probation fee?
charges, then
No,
says he
the
does
true bill of
not, and the
indictment.
court
What your
must decide
charges.
whether to pause or
yes.
continue.
With your attorney, did you understand it?
The probation fee?
No, the true bill of indictment.
What your charge is.
Oh, yes.
All right, did you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I don't think so.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand?
Deferred adjudication sounds like relief, but one mistake can still lead to up to 10 years, which most defendants underestimate.
It and sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, 1 to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Do you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you
Waiving
with
the
any
right to
defenses?
appeal
He
locks
certainly
the
has.
outcome,
Do you
even if
believe
the
he has a
defendant does
rational as
not
well as
fully
a factual
understand what is being
understanding of
given
the
up.
charge? Provide you with any defenses?
He certainly has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes and yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes to both of those.
Mr. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Court will find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney?
After 18 hours of work and 3 hours of sleep, fatigue may affect understanding judgment and consent during a felony plea.
Did you understand it?
I did, yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine to be probated. State recommends deferred adjudication, and there's to be restitution for drug testing to the Bexar County Crime Lab. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
And did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, the meeting such motion?
There have not.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution, the DOEP course, and random UAs. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Did you say you signed it as guilty?
Yeah, guilty.
All right, state, any evidence?
State offers the evidence states one and its attachment.
We've reviewed them and have no.
The defendant thinks probation is decided, but the judge has not ruled yet, and this misunderstanding could change everything.
Objections, Your Honor.
Right, state you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
All right, you're still on the reaction time. What's going on?
Oh, I'm sorry. I worked 18 hours yesterday. I didn't get home till 3 in the morning.
Okay.
I'm exhausted.
All right, so are you understanding what's going on, and do you need this reset for another day?
I'm going on probation, right?
Well, I don't know.
Oh.
Do you understand what we're doing today?
Mhm.